If you were like my husband Nima, someone who spent years building something that had always been missing in this country, then you'd understand exactly how he feels right now. Nima has spent 5 years developing a hardshell rooftop tent that's not only the lightest and slimmest on the market, but also aerodynamic enough to stay silent on the road and versatile enough to fit not just off-road vehicles, but modern crossovers too. All that wrapped in a sleek minimalist design that holds its own against international brands. In this video, we're installing this special rooftop tent on a Toyota Prado, a perfect fit with the tent's mounting system, aligning exactly with the vehicle's factory roof points. That means no hassle, no drilling, and an installation time of under 45 minutes. Let's take a look at how the home Nima built for your roof mounts on the Prado. We begin the installation by removing the factory roof rails on the Toyota Prado. Under each rail, there are 6 factory drilled mounting points perfectly positioned for installing the Lonacamp rooftop tent. The distance from the front hole to the middle ones is 55 centimeters and from the middle to the rear is 40 centimeters. To prevent water ingress and ensure long-term durability, we fully seal these mounting points using polyurethane adhesive. One important thing to note, the factory roof rails on the Prado aren't designed to carry the dynamic load of a rooftop tent. Their capacity usually maxes out at around 50 to 60 kilograms. That's why we removed them and replaced them with custom mounting brackets, specially engineered for the Prado. These brackets install directly into the factory mounting points using M8 bolts with no additional drilling required. We use 3 custom-designed brackets on each side for a total of 6 brackets. Each bracket consists of 2 separate components. The lower piece mounts directly to the factory holes in the roof using 2 M8 bolts and nuts. The upper piece connects to the base rack under the tent using 2 additional bolts and nuts. The 2 parts of the bracket are joined together with 2 central bolts, forming a strong and stable connection. All brackets are made from lightweight, high-strength aluminum, providing excellent durability while keeping the overall system light and balanced. Our crossbars are custom designed specifically to serve as a base structure for rooftop tents. They're built from durable extruded aluminum and finished with an electrostatic powder coating, making them highly resistant to rust, sun exposure, and tough weather conditions. Each bar weighs only 2 kilograms, keeping the setup both lightweight and strong. On the underside of each bar, you will find T-slide channels that make installing the rooftop tent quick and secure using T-bolt or flange nuts. One side of the bar features an additional channel designed for mounting extra gear like a shower tent, awning, or other accessories. The opposite side of the bar has a rounded aerodynamic profile that helps reduce wind noise inside the cabin while driving. Each tent setup uses 3 bars, and together they can support up to 400 kilograms of static load. Now it's time for this 44-kilogram Lonacamp rooftop tent to be mounted on its very own custom rack system, right here on the Prado. Honestly, I still can't believe how far we've come. Today, we're installing rooftop tents on everything, from basic SUVs to the most high-end off-roaders in the country. We've broken sales records over the past 2 years and the need for imported rooftop tents has dropped dramatically. We now ship across the entire country and we've got over 160,000 amazing followers on Instagram. Plus, we're showing our product to the world on YouTube. In previous posts, we showed how the tent connects to the rack system. Don't forget to subscribe. Your support keeps us going for the next videos.